Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Con Life. I'm Adil, and we're here at
Royal Sonesta New Orleans.
That's right, folks. We're here in New Orleans at Royal Sonesta. Now, in this video, what we're going to do is give you guys a quick tour of what this room is all about. We're staying at the interior balcony right behind me. So we're going to show you guys what the room consists of, some of the amenities, and the on-site dining. So let's check it out and show you guys what this hotel is all about. So this is our room right here, 3123. Let's check it out. All right, so we got the interior balcony here at the Royal Sonesta in New Orleans. So let's turn some lights on, get a little bit brighter in here. So this is the bathroom. Got the large mirror with the ring light. Give you guys an idea what's going on here. So everything you need, your sink and whatnot, your soap, body lotion, toilet, your tub, and then your bath gel, conditioner, and your shampoo. So you got all that included. Now we got the interior balcony. We'll show you that a little later. Actually, let's see what's over here. So you got your closet with the ironing board and the iron and some robes that are included, and some drawers on the side here, so you can go ahead and get organized with all your belongings. And then the room itself. So we got the crib here. They set it up for our daughter, which is nice. And then the king bed with the TV in front. So let's check everything out here. So you got the drawer, empty drawer with the safe. So you can go ahead and lock up your belongings, your lamp. And you got your clock right here with some USB and power ports. Go ahead and charge your phone and whatnot right at your bedside. Some artwork, your thermostat. So you got your digital thermostat right here. And then just a little chair right here. Maybe you can put your luggage on top or use it to put your shoes on and whatnot. Some more cabinetry. And you got your fridge, mini fridge. It's always nice to have in any unit. And then the drawers. TV, as mentioned. And then we got the work desk right here. Oh, look at this, complimentary. Of course, got my wife's name right here. Some dessert, sweets, some water. Very nice. Got the lamp, some more artwork. I like this chair. Got a little New Orleans style chair going. Got that vintage look. Got a lot of space overall. Another end table here with your phone. You got some mirrors on the back end of this. Kind of makes the room look a little bit bigger and reflects more light. So it's kind of nice. And then again, all your drawer space right there. Now they're connecting rooms, so if we book 2 rooms, you can go ahead and connect both. So you got big families, you can use that at your own leisure. Now let's open the best part up. All right, so this is the balcony, and it connects it straight to the pool area. Check that out, guys. So you can actually hang out right here. And we'll look at the courtyard, the pool area momentarily, but yeah, this is what we got over here. Very nice. So of course our room is right here. Awesome. So yeah, guys, this consists of the interior balcony at the Royal Sonesta. Now let's go ahead and see some of the amenities and everything else that this place has to offer. In the interior, you'll find a beautiful courtyard featuring a freshwater heated pool. One of the largest pools in the French Quarter. Plenty of seating, and it also has an Oasis pool bar where you can order food and drinks. All right, so nighttime, nobody's here, and the best part is our room is right here, so we can actually just have a seat, kind of hang out on the patio, enjoy the weather. It's really nice out today. In addition, there is a second courtyard that is affixed to the lobby where it connects you to some of the on-site dining. The Jazz Playhouse and Desire Oyster Bar, to name a couple. In the evening hours, the Jazz Playhouse showcases New Orleans' greatest jazz talents. Desire Oyster Bar was our go-to restaurant for breakfast and dinner. This restaurant offers diners one of the most authentic culinary experiences in New Orleans. You also have an on-site coffee shop, PJ's Coffee Cafe. Other amenities include a 24-hour fitness center, 24-hour valet parking, and a banquet hall for meetings, events, and weddings. Overall, we had an enjoyable stay and it was perfect for the entire family. Well, there you folks have it, Royal Sonesta in New Orleans. Now, if you guys have any questions about this place, ask this guy down below. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.